Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about time series analysis basics. Time series analysis is a statistical method used to examine data collected over time. It aids in detecting patterns, trends, and relationships in time-based datasets. These data points are usually gathered at consistent intervals. For instance, tracking daily stock prices to predict future trends or analyzing monthly sales data to identify seasonal patterns are common real-world applications of time series analysis. Time series analysis involves three key components: trend, seasonality, and noise. Trend denotes the overall direction of data over an extended period, showcasing either a rise or fall. For instance, a gradual increase in monthly sales figures reflects a positive trend. Seasonality signifies regular patterns that occur at fixed intervals, like the surge in ice cream sales during summer. Finally, noise encompasses erratic variations within data points that do not follow any discernible pattern, such as sudden spikes or drops in stock prices due to unforeseen events. Understanding and delineating these components are pivotal for meaningful data interpretation and forecasting. To work with time series data in Python, start by importing essential libraries, NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib.pyplot. This step allows for array operations, data manipulation, and plotting functionalities. Generate sample time series data by creating a Pandas series with random values indexed by date using pd.series and np.random.randn. This action creates a time series data structure with 1,000 data points. Next, visualize the time series data by calling the plot method on the data series object and using plt.show to display the plot. This step generates a graphical representation of the time series data for analysis and visualization. For example, in financial analysis, these steps are useful for tracking stock prices or in weather forecasting for monitoring temperature fluctuations over time. The plotted data enables clear insights into trends, patterns, and anomalies within the time series information for informed decision-making. Stationarity is a fundamental concept in time series analysis, where a time series is considered stationary if its statistical attributes like mean, variance, and autocorrelation show no significant changes over time. Maintaining stationarity is critical for ensuring precise forecasting and constructing reliable models in time series analysis. For instance, consider a stock price dataset. Stationarity would imply that the statistical characteristics of the stock prices, like the average price and volatility, remain stable over the entire period. This stability is crucial for developing accurate predictions and effective risk management strategies in financial markets. Thus, ensuring stationarity is pivotal for yielding meaningful insights and informed decisions in time series analysis. Time series analysis is like analyzing a recipe over time to see how the taste changes with different cooking times. Just like you track the temperature of your oven to ensure your dish cooks perfectly, in time series analysis, you track and analyze data points over time to predict future outcomes. This is similar to writing a program that collects and analyzes data points over a period of time to make predictions or insights. Hey, Code Conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. The code snippet showcases the application of time series analysis basics by creating and visualizing two separate time series datasets. For the analogy part, a sample of taste ratings of a dish over different cooking times is generated and represented in a data frame named Recipe Analysis. This dataset is plotted to visualize the taste ratings over time, reflecting how a dish's taste may vary during the cooking process. Moving on to the time series analysis basic part, a sample dataset for stock prices is constructed in a data frame named Stock Data. The stock prices data is then plotted to show the fluctuations and trends of stock prices over time. This demonstrates the fundamental concept of tracking and analyzing time series data in the context of financial markets. By executing this code, you can better understand the practical applications of time series analysis in tracking and analyzing data over time, whether it be for culinary purposes or financial analysis. In the provided code examples, the analogy of analyzing a recipe over time and the basics of time series analysis are demonstrated using sample datasets of taste ratings of a dish and stock prices, respectively. By plotting these time series data, one can observe how values evolve over different time intervals. These examples showcase the application of time series analysis in various real-world scenarios, from monitoring taste ratings to tracking financial market trends. Across the globe, keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.